Field. It is a place where our school spirit comes alive, where character is developed through sport and competition, and where Crescent pride is so often on display. It was built in 2008 as part of the Great Boys campaign and named in honor of Eric Innes, proud father of Brendan, class of 05, and Scott, class of 97. He was a past board governor, board chair, committed volunteer, and generous supporter of Crescent School.
The addition of Innes Field was revolutionary for Crescent. It allowed us to increase the number of boys involved in our program and improve our delivery. The FIFA grade turf, along with a great drainage system, meant that we were able to extend our season of play well into the fall, and as soon as the snow left in the spring, we hit the ground running. It's been a great enhancement to our outdoor program.
Today, Innes Field is used by every boy in the school and for a wide range of purposes. It's used for varsity athletics and phys ed classes, for house activities and community events, and even for recess. My favorite memory of Innes Field is playing in the annual Friday Night Lights soccer game and the crowd rushing the field after we won. It was a great community moment.
The field surface had a projected 10-year lifespan. Updating and enhancing Innes Field is the first stage of our master campus plan. We're going to resurface the field with a multi-use turf that is dual certified by FIFA for soccer and World Rugby for rugby. There are only a handful of fields in the country using this surface, and to our knowledge, we will be the first among independent schools. We will also construct an air-supported sports dome to allow up to 26 additional weeks of field use during the winter. This will increase our indoor winter activities for teams, intramurals, and house games, and our fall and spring teams will be able to enjoy this additional training time.
If there's a silver lining with our present situation with COVID, it's that there's been a lull in athletic activity and we're able to expedite the construction of the new dome and field.
Every Crescent student in our community will benefit from the new and improved Innes Field and Dome for years to come.